Good morning, students. Myself, Aubrey Francis, and welcome to your online classes. Today, we are going to study English literature and English literature of class 6, and the name of the lesson is The Starting Point. So, before I could start the lesson, I would like to ask you a question. In order to receive success in life, if you want to do something good in life, what are you supposed to do? If you want to do good in studies, if you want to achieve something else in life, what is the one thing that everyone needs to do? Yes, the answer is hard work. If you need to succeed in life, hard work is the same mantra. Therefore, let us see this lesson also, the starting point. It is about Milkha Singh. All of you know Milkha Singh. He was an athlete, a track and field athlete, and is well known as the Flying Sikh. And recently we had a movie based on Milkha Singh, and the name of the movie was Bhag Milkha Bhag. So today we are going to study about Milkha Singh, the life story of Milkha Singh. So let us proceed. Milkha Singh, also known as Flying Sikh, is a former Indian track and field sprinter. He represented India in the Commonwealth Games in 1958 and the Summer Olympic Games of 1956, 1960 and 1964. So, Milkha Singh, track and field athlete, he represented India in Commonwealth Games and in Olympic Games. The years is given here 1956, 60 and 64. As a child, he used to run 10 kilometers to school and back. So when he was a small child, he used to run to school. His school was 10 kilometers away. He used to run and go and come back. So running long distances came naturally to him. In his youth, he joined the army. So Milkha Singh, from small only, he was a very good runner. And when he was young, when he became young, youth means when you turn young, we say youth. He joined the Indian Army, where he was introduced to a running as a sport. Having found his calling on the track, Milkha Singh went on to win several accolades for India at various international levels. And gradually, Milkha Singh, when he joined the army, later on he became a good runner, and he represented India in various track and field events all over the globe, that is, all over the world, and he made India famous. He won many medals, and thus way he made India famous. He is best remembered for his 4th place finish in the 400 meters final at the Olympic 1960. So Milkha Singh, he won Commonwealth Game, all over the world. Wherever he performed, he won gold medal. He did good. But the saddest part is that Milkha Singh, the Olympic, which is the biggest sporting event in the world, he came 4th in that. Milkha Singh, he did not win any medal, and that is the saddest part. But this is one of the best performance by an Indian athlete. It is Milkha Singh only who has come 4th in Olympic in the track and field. Otherwise, there is no athlete who has done so well as Milkha Singh. His 4th place time of 45.73 seconds became the Indian national record then, and was held for almost 40 years. So Milkha Singh, his timing was in 400 meters 45.73 seconds, and it became national record, and no one could break his national record for 40 years. So it was a great achievement by Milkha Singh. So now let us see how Milkha Singh became a great athlete, and let us read the chapter and understand the text. 3 fortunate incidents that occurred in January 1953 when I was a new recruit in the army changed the course of my life. So Milkha Singh was saying over here, when he joined the army, 3 incidents took place in his life, and this 3 incidents changed his life. 3 incidents changed it. Let us see what is that. Recruit means a person who has recently joined the armed forces. After the morning roll call one day, there was an announcement that a 6-mile race was to be held the next day. So after the morning roll call means after the assembly, there was an announcement in the recruit that tomorrow there is going to be a race. All 500 recruits, that means the army personnels, would participate in this event. The top 10 would be exempted and from fatigue duty and be given a glass of milk every day during the training period. So the top, when this race is going to start, the top 5%, first, second, third and fourth, they will be exempted, means they will be free from army duty and they will be free from fatigue duty, and they will be rewarded with a glass of milk. The next morning, we reported at the starting line wearing canvas shoes, vest and khaki shorts, and next morning everybody assembled to take part in the event, to take part in the running. And the army personnel, they wore on canvas shoes, that means kids, vest, singlets and khaki shorts. Shorts means short pant. Most of the army people, when they are free and when they perform sport activities, this is the uniform. The whistle blew and we set off, filled with a sense of mission. As the whistle blew and everybody started running, everybody. Then filled with a sense of mission, I ran as fast as I could. Sense of mission means a feeling that he was doing a very important task. So Milkha Singh ran and he thought that this is a very important task and he needs to come either first, second, third, fourth or fifth. That is the meaning of filled. A sense of mission means he has to perform well. He ran as fast as he could, Milkha Singh. The reward of getting a glass of milk was a big treat. Yes, and this also was there, that this was playing in his mind, like if he performs well, if he comes first, second, third or fifth, he will get a glass of milk. He will be exempted from army duty, fatigue duty. This was the reward, it was playing on his mind. Therefore, he gave his ultimate best. A big treat for me, as I had suffered great want and deprivation in my childhood. I took the lead in the first 2 or 3 miles, and he's saying that no, he wanted this milk also. When he was a small child, he was deprived of milk. Therefore, when he heard that if he performed well and he comes first, second, third or fifth, he will get a glass of milk also. So let us see what happened after this. I took the lead in the first 2 or 3 miles. So the running started, first 2 or 3 miles, Milkha Singh was leading the race, means he was first, he was coming first. I would rest a while if I felt tired and then run again when I saw others catching up. And he was a good runner, he used to run very, very fast, and when he saw that nobody was behind him, he used to take rest for some time. And again when he saw other persons coming towards him, again he used to run. This he did. Luck was with me that day and I finished 6th in the race. And while doing so, he's saying that day I was lucky, that while he took rest, he did not go to sleep, or someone did not catch close to him, and therefore he came 6th in the race that day. The names of the 10 recruits who qualified were announced before a large gathering of almost 300 people, and then the next day the top 10, the names were announced in front of the large gathering. 300 people, in front of 300 people, they announced the top 10 person, the army men who came, who did well in the running. Friends, even strangers, wildly applauded and thumped me on my back, shouting "Shabash!" I was quite overwhelmed by the attention and appreciation I received that night. And he's saying that their friends and maybe strangers also, they came towards him and told him "Shabash," means well done. They tapped his back and said, "Well done, my boy, you have done very well." He felt great. He was inspired, Milkha Singh. He was overwhelmed, meaning felt sudden strong emotion by the attention and appreciation. Naturally, when you do well in class, when you come first in class or you come second in class, you'll see your parents are very happy, teachers are happy, friends are happy, they will tap you on your back and say, well done my boy, keep it up. And how will you feel? You will feel great that somebody has appreciated that what I have done. They have given you attention. You will feel nice, and then next time you will try to do better. So same was the situation over here with Milkha Singh also. He felt great. That's yes, people looked at my running. They have applauded me. They have told me, yes, you have done very well. He felt extremely happy. And this incident became the starting point of my career as an athlete. And after this was the starting point of his career. And from then onwards, he did not look back. From there, he always proceeded. Means he kept on doing better. And one day, he became a great athlete of India, one of the greatest athletes. So let us see how. As part of our training, we had to run 6 miles every day. Every day, they used to run 6 miles. That was the procedure, training procedure. I eagerly looked forward to the end of the practice session, when we would get the promised glass of milk. And they used to perform every day. And after the practice session, every day they used to get a glass of milk. And this Milkha Singh used to wait eagerly for. A glass of milk was great for him. Our instructor was Havaldar Gurudev Singh. They had an instructor. Instructor means a master who tells you what to do and what not to do. How we have PT teacher in our school, in that way. His instructor, his recruit instructor was Havaldar Gurudev Singh, who had been with the army for about 15 years. And this person, he was a senior person, and he was in the army for 15 years. He was quite senior. Although his task was to train new recruit, he was a good runner himself. And what was his duty? To train the new recruits, means the young runners, the starters, to train them and make them a good runner in future. But he himself was a good runner too. And he continued to practice in the races. Gurudev was a taciturn, no nonsense kind of a man. Meaning, taciturn meaning over here, reserved person who doesn't speak much. Means this Gurudev, he never used to speak much, he never used to talk much. He was a quiet person. And no nonsense kind of person. Means he used to perform his work only. Other than his working, he never used to play the fool and mix around and do other activities. Now, that is the meaning of no nonsense kind of a man. His tough exterior hid his softer, gentle side. Means from outside he was very strict, but from inside he was soft. That is the meaning of his tough exterior. Exterior means outside appearance. Hid his softer, gentler side. Means he was soft from outside, but he was at the same time strict. He would run with us during the training session, prodding us with a danda, shouting, "Run boys, run! Run for the regiment." I strongly believe that he was instrumental in motivating me to strive to become a world-class athlete. And whenever we used to run, he's practicing, and he used to take the danda and say, "Run boys, run." Okay, he used to run boys, run for the regiment, run for our regiment. And he said, after that Milkha is saying, I strongly believe that this Havaldar Gurudev, he was very instrumental in motivating him. He gave him the motivation, thought, courage. He encouraged Milkha Singh to become a good runner. He played a vital role in Milkha Singh's life, that is Gurudev Singh. Even today, when I think of his danda, I bow my head in respect. He's saying, Milkha Singh is saying, even today when he thinks of Gurudev, he bows his head in respect of Gurudev when he thinks of his danda. 6 weeks into our training, the center held a cross-country race. In this event, Gurudev came first and I came second. And after that, after 6 weeks training, they had a cross-country. Cross-country meaning long run, long distance running. Across fields or open country and not on road or on tracks. That is the meaning of cross country. They ran cross country race, and in this cross country race, Gurudev came first and Milkha Singh stood second. Again, I became the cynosure of all eyes, meaning everybody again looked at him that he is a great runner, Milkha Singh, and he could do well in near future. Meaning is a person who is the focus of everyone's attention. I was 20 or 21 at that time, means his age, he was 20 or 21 years old, but looked much younger. I was asked to take part in the brigade meet in Hyderabad, where I was asked to run in the 400-meter event, and then later on he was asked to run in a meet in Hyderabad, 400 meters meet in Hyderabad. I was greatly surprised because I did not even know what 400 meter meant, and he was surprised. This Milkha saying 400 meter, what is this? I don't know what is 400 meter, but they are telling me to run 400 meters, but how much I have to run in 400 meters, I don't know. That is why he was surprised. They asked Milkha Singh to run. I had always run 6 miles, but it was during the brigade meet that the second incident occurred, which made me even more determined to become a good athlete. And then it is saying, Milkha Singh is saying, yeah, he always used to run 6 miles. 6 miles means more than a kilometer, okay. And after this Hyderabad incident, when he took part over there in the 400 meter, he became much more determined to perform the best. Means from this day onwards, I will give my ultimate best, and I will represent my country India in the highest level. In the first practice run in Hyderabad, I took off my canvas shoes and ran barefoot. So when in the first event over here, he ran barefoot, he took out his shoes and ran barefoot, canvas shoes. Gurudev clapped his hands for me to start. I did, and clocked 63 seconds. So in this 400 meters, the starting practice, he clocked 63 seconds. I was eager to run 4 more rounds. After all, that was what I used to run 60 miles every day, 6 miles, every day. So running a quarter mile seemed far too easy. I continued to practice for many days to improve my time, and I was running 400 meters in less than a minute.